Two people sit down at the same AI, same model, same subscription. The first one types, help me with my business. The second one types, give me 3-step marketing plan for a local bakery. Focus on Instagram that I can run in 2 weeks on a small budget. Same tool, same cost. The second person walks away with a real roadmap. The first one walks away confused and probably blames the AI. Here's what's actually happening. You used to need to code, talk to the machines, Python, JavaScript, years of syntax. The barrier is gone. Now you just type a sentence in plain English and the machine builds, which sounds like it makes everyone equal, but it doesn't. Because the machine is not smart by itself. It's only as sharp as the words you give it. It's the oldest rule in computing. Garbage in, garbage out. Except now, the garbage is bad communication. Let me show you a real one from my own app. You can download it from the App Store. It's a basically task management. I needed a reminder feature. And here's what I typed first. Just add reminders to my app. That's the first prompt. Then that's it. Look at everything that's missing. No timing, no limits, nothing about what done even means. So the AI filled in the blanks itself and built chaos. Reminders firing at 3 in the morning, no way to stop them. Then I decided to change things. And then I rewrote it in a way and I said exactly what I meant. Email me when a task is due. Nudge me every 2 hours, max 3. Then stop quiet overnight. Skip done tasks. Same model, that one shipped first try. The only thing that changed was just my words. And if you're interested in downloading the app and trying out, the link is in the description. You can sign up and start. It's all for free. But here is the part people miss. A human fills in your gaps. Give a coworker a fuzzy request and they ask a question, or they just know what you meant. AI doesn't stop to ask. It matches your words, not your intent. So if your words are sloppy, it builds the wrong thing confidently. But here's the flip side, and this is the exciting part. The thing is genuinely brilliant. When it actually understands your intent, the why behind the what. It does something a rigid tool never could. It finds a path you didn't spell out. A cleaner way, a smarter way. So your job isn't to script every single step. It's to make your intent impossible to miss. Tell it what you're really after, then let it surprise you. And that's the whole idea of AI. We are bound by an amazing amount of intelligence. And sometimes I feel when we tell it what to do without showing or expressing the intent, it just gets rigid. But if you expressed somehow or communicated your intent, you can achieve amazing results, because now the limitation is the sky is the limit and it goes beyond imagination, because it uses this amount of intelligence that it got to serve you better. So this is bigger than prompting tricks. This is the oldest leadership skill there is. Clear direction. The same person who writes a sharp prompt writes clear requirements and runs a meeting where everyone actually knows what to do. It was always this skill. AI just put a price tag on it. So at the end of the day, it's all about communication. How we communicate, now we're communicating to a machine. That shows you the vital part or the importance of communication in general. Now zoom out for a second. Forget the AI. Think about the people in your life. What if we talk to each other this clearly? Because here's the truth. Not everyone asks questions. Most people just assume. And there's a line I keep coming back to. The responsibility for communication is on the communicator, not the listener. On you. Say, buy me an apple, and you might come home to a green one when you wanted red. That's not their mistake. It's the gap you left open. Give the direction. Give the example. Say the outcome you're picturing. Turns out the skill that gets more out of the AI is the same one that saves you from half of your misunderstandings with people. And again, when you say, get me an apple, there's a big difference when you say, buy me a red apple. Because if I go to the store and I want to buy the apple because my mom asked me to buy some apples, I might find a green apple and I just buy it. But she wanted a red apple. But if she told me, get me a red apple, all this misunderstanding will not be necessary. So you might be wondering, how do you actually get good at it? Treat English like code. Lead with your intent and give it a role. 2, ask for a specific output, not a vague one. 3, set your constraints. 4, tell it what you don't want, not just what you want. And 5, iterate. Your first prompt is a first draft. Debug it like one, just like you're debugging a piece of code. And here's the line I keep coming back to. The developer who writes mediocre code but communicates brilliantly will outbuild the 10x coder who can't say what they want. Not in 5 years, right now. Because whether it's a machine or a person on the other end, clear beats clever in this day and age. So sharpen your thinking, sharpen your language. The people who learn to say exactly what they mean are the ones who will program their own future. If this will give you a different perspective or show you things in a different way, please subscribe. I intend to share with you all my experiences and what I learned, and we can all learn together. If you ever ask the AI a question or you feel like it was going in the wrong way, maybe if we think about communication and the value of communication, whether to another human being or to an artificial intelligence machine, maybe that will give you a different way of thinking about it. The bottom line is we need to improve our communication. That's the key. And it's when I'm being specific, but without restricting the imagination of the machine, that's when you get the best results. If you like what I'm sharing, please give it a like. I'm still starting here. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm still learning as well. I know the first few videos are going to be a little awkward, not perfect, but I promise you, the more I do it, the better I become. Have a wonderful day. Be great and be grateful. And I'll be talking to you soon. And keep shipping.